Look at all these spiders!
We need Oreos.
Salty crackers!
And
Sweet crackers.
we need sesame sticks.
Some are colored in chocolate.
Whipped cream.
Chocolate.
Chocolate pens?
Big spider eyes.
And
Small spider eyes. How do we make them?
this itsy bitsy spider is made of chocolate and crackers.
These are the crackers, and these are the chocolate.
Some chocolate spider legs.
Let's decorate.
My spider is a salty circle.
It has one big eye and 6 chocolate legs.
This itsy bitsy spider is made of cream and crackers.
These are the crackers, and these are the cream.
Let's decorate.
My spider is a sweet rectangle.
It has one big eye and 6 legs.
This itsy bitsy. Ah!
It broke.
Oh,
That's okay. This itsy bitsy spider is made of Oreos.
This is the Oreo, and this is the cream.
Let's decorate.
My spider is a chocolatey circle.
It has 2 big eyes and 6 legs.
These itsy bitsy spiders are made in different ways.
Let's make them together.
See you later.
Bye-bye.